Part 2 of the half bath makeover, installing occupancy sensor switch. This one's a Lutron I picked up from Home Depot. It was around $25. So let's go. So I went ahead and disconnect the plate and took out the switch. I have the mains turned off. So there are two black wires coming in and going out of this switch. I do have a ground, and I also have a neutral white wire, so I can just reuse those. So I went ahead and hooked up these two black wires. I had to remove the other switch to get these two out because of the way they were tucked in. And since I have this neutral wire, I am supposed to take this green sleeve off. You can see it's actually a white wire underneath. Connect them to the white wire, and then this free hanging thing goes to the ground. So just wired up the occupancy sensor switch. The two black goes to the black that was coming to the switch. This white goes to white, and this bare goes to the ground. Now, time to put the whole thing back together. Yeah, so I had to reprogram these timeouts, sensor modes, sensitivity, etc. Not sure what came in, but after reprogramming, it seems to be working. Let's try it out. Okay, so put the whole thing back together. This is how it looks. Time to turn on the power and test if I did everything right. Okay, here goes. There. Lights turned on. Cool. Ciao.